Hello, my happy little stars. Today I'm drawing Bluey, Bingo, and Dad playing together. While waiting for the drawing to finish, I'll tell you a cheerful story about their big day. Before we start, tap the like button gently, so Bluey's smile can shine even brighter. Bluey wakes up early. She stretches and yawns. Bingo rolls on her bed. Her ears flop around. "Morning, Bingo," says Bluey. "Let's wake up, Dad." If you love family mornings, press like to make them extra sunny. They tiptoe to Dad's room. The door creaks a little. Bluey whispers softly, "Should Bingo be sneaky?" Dad snores loudly. His blanket looks like a mountain. Give the video a happy like, so Bluey's plan can start with fun. Bingo jumps first. She lands on Dad's tummy. Bluey giggles and shouts, "Wake up, Dad." Dad opens one eye slowly, pretending to still be asleep. If you've ever played wake-up games, press like for a sleepy giggle. Dad suddenly roars, "Gotcha!" and tickles them both. The room fills with laughter. Bluey wiggles and laughs hard. "Dad, stop," says Bingo, rolling on the bed. Tap the like button if you can feel the tickly fun too. After breakfast, they go outside. The sky shines blue. Bluey grabs her skipping rope. Bingo brings a ball. "Let's have a contest," says Dad. His tail wags proudly. Press like if you're ready for a family challenge. Dad starts jumping. His rope twirls fast. Bluey cheers, "Go, Dad, go." Bingo claps her paws. But the rope gets tangled. Dad falls gently on the grass. Give a little like, so Dad can try again without tripping. "Your turn, Bluey," says Bingo. Her eyes sparkle. Bluey jumps high and steady. Her rope spins perfectly. Dad claps proudly. "That's my clever pup," he says. If you're smiling too, press like for Bluey's amazing jump. When Bingo's turn comes, she hops slowly and laughs. "Almost there, Bingo." Bluey cheers. Her tail wiggles fast. Dad joins her to help, holding her paws carefully. Give the video a happy like for teamwork and giggles. The sun starts to set. The wind feels soft and kind. They sit together under the big tree, watching the glowing sky. "This was the best day," says Bluey, leaning on Dad's arm. Before we end, tap like for this cozy family moment. Bluey yawns softly. Bingo snuggles close. Dad smiles gently. "Time for bed, my little jumpers." The world turns calm, their hearts full of love. Good night, dear friends. Don't forget to like and dream with Bluey's family tonight.